Not early in the morning.
Arlie in the morning? It's not early in the morning?
It is.
Oh, okay.
But you need something more like a pirate.
Oh, Arlie in the morning. Welcome to Pirate Night. Arr, we be Christmas pirates. Arr. Welcome to part 2 of day 2, Pirate Night. Hi, Minnie. We're ready for Pirate Night. We decided to be Christmas pirates because it's a Christmas cruise. Yes, Christmas pirates. Arr. Are we ready for the pirate show?
Who is the leader of the crew?
It's a pirate's life for me!
What a crazy pirate night it has been. The Beauty and the Beast show happened, and then we were rush to everything. And then we did not get a good spot for Mickey's Pirates in the Caribbean show.
You need to make choices.
That's okay, you need to make some choices. But now we are going to Animator's Palate. Look at the tree.
It has a paintbrush.
It does, because it's Animator's Palate. I love coming to Animator's Palate on Pirate Night because it's really the only pirate-themed restaurant there is, because they put all the screens with pirate-themed stuff and play pirate music. Arr! I know, you're hungry. Say, arr, I'm a pirate. So because we're dressed up like Christmas pirates, we've been giving out some Christmas candy. Are we getting ready for the fireworks? I know, our waiter Philip made you a fun little flapping crane. Very fun. Are you ready for fireworks? Arr, fireworks. Arr, fireworks.
My bird like crazy things are.
Yeah.
And I named my bird Paper.
You named his bird Paper.
Yeah, because it's made out of paper.
Because it's made out of paper.
Yeah, it's made out of paper.
Well, you come to the proper place. Tonight, you be traveling in mysterious waters. Waters once owned by tales of plenty of pirates and the ones who hunted them. Some say when the night is right and the sea is willing, these scoundrels will once again sail the seas.
Their salt and faithful before the mast, say aye! I heard ye had Hawaii today adventurous, but now it be time to do what pirates do best. Party in! attitude.
I be Murray. Oh, wait. Good-looking Murray. Sit now. That handkerchief. Ahoy, that's dog. Aye? And up there, be Dirty Dan.
And why do they call you that?
It's short for Danielle.
We be sailing with Captain Jack Sparrow.
Aye! Where is your fearless leader?
We haven't seen him since the rum ran out.
Well, we've got plenty live agents here with the seas belonging to us pirates. It behooves us to enjoy the drink and merriment and for those bored of the sea. So, let us begin with the traditional singing of a little jiggy call. A pirate's life for me!
A pirate's life for me! Yo ho, a pirate's life for me.
We have what we built, the sack, behind yo ho.
For water and vessel and even like that. The island yo ho. Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. We're rascals and scoundrels, we're villains and knaves. Drink up, the island yo ho. We're devils and blacks and we're really nice. Drink up, the island yo ho. Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. Yo ho, a pirate's life for me.
Now this ditty has a chorus that goes a little something like this. Listen closely. Oh, die. All right, I want you to sing it with me. Here we go.
Oh,
Very good. Now, in true pirate fashion, we're going to be raising our bottles to the sky. If you don't have a bottle, raise your fist. Raise them up. You want to see fireworks or not? Raise them up. Very good. And we're going to be sparking our bottles. So, let's take the singing and the swinging, and we're going to put it together. All right, everybody. Raise your bottles up. And here we go.
Oh,
Very good. Now, I think the time has come that I ask some of our piratey friends some questions. Do I have any volunteers? You must go hands down, Anna.
No, it's Emily. It's
Hello,
Emily.
hello,
It's
tell me. Hi, what's your name? Emily, we got Pirate Emily.
Woo!
All right, Emily, tell me where you're from. We're from Orlando. All right, tell me. Woo! Floridian Mountain. All right, tell me. Orlando. What kind of treasure are you looking for? We're looking for diamonds. Very nice. Now, you would say
Of course you would be.
these diamonds. Where are you going? We're going to Neverland. Very good choice. All right, thank you so much. All right, we got Pirate Minnie from Orlando looking for diamonds in Neverland. All right, everybody. Raise your bottles up. And here we go.
oh,
Here's for Pirate Emily. We're searching for an island.
I hope you find your treasure.
On an island you'll find some diamonds. To follow Tinkerbell. Good luck. We're sailing to Neverland. I don't think that could have gone any better. It seems like we gained a bountiful new number of patrons for our party. Welcome! I'm in known as Handsome Hugo, and this is Jack Sparrow's crew.
I believe you should be captioning there somewhere.
Look up.
Oh, your crew! Sorry, I took him. Stop! Dirty Dan!
Oh, yes, now we were all day.
They wish to be shipmates. They'd be a fine lot.
How do you judge that? I've been eating it close enough.
It's all come take your time. There's nothing else going on.
Listen, get ready for selection.
Go pick some members of the crew.
There's no need for this pirates on the ship. Well, let's tell Captain Jack.
Mommy and Daddy were volunteers for this last time.
Here we go!
Way hey!
What's yours?
Way hey!
Merrytime!
Way hey!
There we go. Now for this one, I want us to clap along as we sing early in the morning. Do it!
Early in the not early. Early in the not early in the morning.
Early in the morning? It's not early in the morning?
It is,
Oh, okay.
but you need to sound more like a pirate.
Oh, early in the morning.
What do you do with a lazy pirate?
What would you do with a lazy pirate? What would you do with a lazy pirate? Early in the morning.
Hey! Way hey! Way hey!
Make them clean his room! Make
Them clean the room, make them clean his room, make them clean his room early in the morning. Way hey! Way hey! Way hey!
Early in the morning.
Make them do the laundry!
Make them do the laundry. Make them do the laundry. Make them do the laundry early in the morning. Way hey! Way hey! Way hey!
Early in the morning.
Jackson, follow me, my friend. Solo con! More than 12 one of these dances, it's all very difficult. Let's go over here. Let's take that over there. Ah, there you go. Can you believe he never had a lesson? Oh, dirty Dan. All right, get ready to blow, Aaron. Whoa! Very good. Right, lower, yeah. Make them clean the toilet.
Make them clean the toilet, make them clean the toilet, make them clean the toilet early in the morning.
That's what we do with the lazy pirate. That's what we do with the lazy pirate.
Early in the morning.
Let's hear it.
One of the prayers and act of common sense and follow my orders. The face of danger, and even sudden death. John! Aye! You're a worthy and crazy to be to the pirate side. Welcome.
A celebratory song!
Another one.
All right, I want to see you clap along. Yo ho, a pirate's life for me.
Up the yards, yo ho. Up the yards, yo ho.
A pirate's life for me.
Pirate's life for me. Woo! The microphones are too close.
All right, let's hear it for Captain Jack Sparrow!
Now, I don't know if all of you would like to see something a bit more unpredictable.
Aye.
More classy. A lot more explosive. It's like run up the pennies, throw the powder, and light the fuse.
Here we go.
1, 2, 3, a pirate's life for me!
Did you get more stuff in your stocking? Sweet. And I think Melody has some in hers. But we'll let Melody do. All right.
I was gonna let Melody do it.
Okay. Oh, I think it's a kraken.
Ooh.
I think it's a kraken.
There's chocolate coin.
Yep, there's one for each of us, right? Although you'll probably take mine and Melody will probably take Mommy's though, so. But.
Okay.
Did you like Buccaneer Blast? Did you like the fireworks? Yeah, are you glad you joined us?
So the kids are back in the stateroom with Daddy getting ready to sleep. They're ready for bed. I am going to record some of the Christmas decorations, but hopefully it's not super busy out here. I don't know. We'll see. It's like 11:30. We'll see how busy it is. Well, we've come to the end of day 2, our sea day. We are exhausted. Oh my goodness.
Ainsley woke me up because I was sleeping next to Melody.
After I filmed some stuff, Graham and I went and did some pixie dusting, and Joe was asleep with the kids, so.
In Melody's bed.
In Melody's bed, so. Tonight was really fun. Today was a little hectic though, with having Pirate Night and then having like the longest main stage show being Beauty and the Beast on the same night as Pirate Night. As you can see, we didn't really get to the Mickey's Pirates in the Caribbean show, and then we were just kind of...
You gotta make your choice.
You had to make some choices, yep, for sure. And the only character that we met was Minnie Mouse, and that's only because my sister and her husband were online and the kids and I jumped in with them. Well, we kind of knew we weren't going to meet a lot of characters like earlier because Melody and I were in the tea party and that was the priority for this cruise. So, but tomorrow we are going to Lighthouse Point on Lookout Cay, our first time there, so it should be fun to experience a new island. But that is all for today's vlog. We thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Good night.